Hello, and welcome back to my podcast. I have a new section that I have named the words of James that remain. James in Greek is Jakobos, which means the one who supplants. These letters have been written around 45 and 50 after Jesus Christ. James was the brother in flesh of Jesus Christ, the man. He was also an ancient in the first assembly of Christians in Jerusalem. And according to the chapter 3 of these letters, he was also a doctor of the law, of the scriptures. So we are just going to try to dig in the heritage that he gave us.